Here, you'll see that under the contact page, you have a contact form. Now we need to make some modifications, and we also need to incorporate an SMTP in order for this form to work. So let's go over here to our dashboard. Now the first thing I want to do is go over here under WPForms and click on all forms. Now this is a free plugin that automatically generates a contact form for your websites. So here, I'll click on simple contact form. And this is where you can basically modify your contact form. So for example, if you want users to add something else, like maybe like some more text, over here, I'll just drop in a paragraph text. And then this could be like, what's your city or something, right? So yeah, you can sort of like add to this, and you can keep adding more to this form right here. You can also choose to make it required. Now, once you actually go through the process here and you build your form how you would like, you can go ahead and save it. So here at the top right, I'll click on save. Now, in case you're curious, I actually have an hour video dedicated to this specific contact form, but I just don't want to spend too much time going over this contact form. Over here, let's click on settings and let's click on notifications. Now, I do recommend to turn this on. This will make it so that these emails will be sent to whatever email that you use to sign up with WordPress. So here, I'll click on save. Now, what we can do is we can actually test this out. Now, I'll be very honest with all of you. This probably will not work. It does sometimes, depending on the hosting configurations. I recommend to watch this video right here. I'll put this in the video description. This will make it where it'll force all the emails from your website to go directly to emails and also your inbox. It's a free plugin to use. So I'll put this video in the description, just to make sure that your contact forms are all working on your new e-commerce website. Okay, so in this part of the video, I'm gonna walk you through the theme customizer. Now, the theme customizer